Hey everyone, make sure to check out my page, like my videos, and follow for more amazing Bible stories brought to life. Today we explore the story of Esther, a brave woman who risked everything to save her people. Esther was a young Jewish woman living under King Xerxes' rule when her uncle Mordecai discovered a plot. Haman, the king's advisor, planned to destroy all Jewish people in the kingdom. Esther faced an impossible choice. She could stay silent and safe, or risk her life approaching the king. The law was clear. Anyone who approached the king without permission could be executed. But Esther chose courage over comfort. She fasted, prayed, and prepared for 3 days. When she finally approached the throne, the king extended his golden scepter, sparing her life. Through wisdom and faith, she exposed Haman's evil plan and saved her entire nation. Sometimes God places ordinary people in extraordinary positions to protect the innocent and bring justice to the world.